We're going to be drawing a shark, not just any shark, but a scary, lots of teeth. So if you like sharks and you like scary sharks, this video is for you. So let's start drawing. Ready? Here we go. So from the center of my page, right about here, I'm going to draw the opening of the mouth. So we're going to go up and to the right, just a little bit, and then we're going to continue upward at an angle, like this. Okay, so this will be the top of the mouth, and then we'll come down in this direction towards the right, come down like this. We'll keep going, and then right about here you want to end about in the same spot, just a little bit short, somewhere about here. So we're going to come like this, and then we're going to hook, and we're just going to stop short of this position here. Okay, the second thing we'll end up doing is we'll draw a line up like this over here, and then we'll come up and to the left a little bit. Okay, now we're going to draw the tip and the kind of like the pointy nose portion of the shark. So over here we will draw a curve from here to there, something like that. And then we'll create this line around the mouth. So we'll round this like this. We'll come down like that. And then we'll keep going like this. Okay. And then we can come back down over here and we'll draw a line slightly to the right. And then we'll bring this line down and over. And then we're going to come up to right about here. So we're going to come up like this and then start hooking back. And right where this spot is here, we want to draw the line somewhere about here, okay? So just about here. So if you follow this and curve this down like this, and then back up, that'll be our bottom of our jaw. You can start right about here, and we'll come down at an angle like this, and then we'll come up to right about here in this direction. So we'll curve this up and go like that. So we're going to draw a curve like this. Okay, and then this is going to come down to right about here. Okay, so you can come up like this if you want, or start at the top and come down. Okay, so we'll have a couple like little nostril shapes. So we'll do this curve like that. And then we'll do the other nostril on this side, because it kind of peekaboos over here, just a part of it over there, just like that. And then we'll draw a round nostril section here. And I'm just going to go and fill that in right now, just like that. Now, if you come down just a little bit from there, let's draw the eye. So from this nostril, come down and we'll draw the top of the eye. So we're going to do a kind of like the rounded rectangle shape. So, and it's going to be at an angle like this towards the top left of the page. So we'll do a shape like this. Okay. And then just under that, we're going to draw the eye shape. So we're going to do like this round eye shape like this. Okay, and then inside of that, we'll have the eyeball, and then we'll do like a little highlight. And then I'm just going to go and color in the eyeball black with my Sharpie, just like that. Okay, now from the tip of the nose, the top of the shark's head, we're going to extend that through the nostril area, and it's going to hit the top of the eye right about there. Okay, and then this is going to continue through the top of the eyelid, and then we're going to do a slow curve down like this. just about there. So your corner of your mouth is right here, this intersection here. So don't go too far below that. Just try to stay above that point, that position here. Okay. So now we have that. I'm just going to draw a little shape like this where the eye is. Okay. And then we can go down over here. We'll draw one of the shark's fins. Okay, so from this point here, we'll come down and over like that. And then we'll go to right about here and we'll come down like that and kind of meet up with it. Okay, and then we will go, and from this position here, we'll draw this curve that goes towards the left and down below. So this is going to be like one of the lower fin, kind of where his belly is at the back of his tail kind of area. And this will come back up like that. And then you see this line here, we want to try to get this line to somewhat connect. So if you're too short, you can extend that up a bit, just like that. And then we'll hook over like this. And then over here, where this fin is here, we're going to have another fin over in this direction. So we came down here, we'll do a fin in the upward direction like this, pointing back. And then this will come like this. And then this will kind of come back like that. Okay, so this is kind of pointing back this direction. And now we're going to have the large tail fin in the back. Okay, so we're going to go from here. We'll curve this up and over like that. And then we'll do the same thing at the bottom. And as you're doing this, make sure, like, if you're going to cut through any of your shapes, that you stop. So we're going to come down, we're going to just miss this one, and we're going to stop there. And we're going to pretend this goes through, and then we're going to come back up like that. Okay, so this is going to come down. It's going to be a little bit thicker down here. Okay, just like that. A couple little bumps over here, and then we'll join back there. All right, now we need the top fin, a large fin up here. So in between this area here, we'll start right roughly about in this direction over here, just behind the eye a little bit. And we'll go over like this. And then we'll come back down like that. Okay, and now we can draw a line for this lower fin here. We'll draw a line up like that, and then we'll come down like this. And you can connect those. And then right about here, we will come up and meet up with this line that we drew here. So come up there. We'll draw some gills right in this area here. So I'll do like this, kind of like a C shape, and then I'll have them pointed at the ends, and they'll get a little bit thicker, and then it'll point like that. And I'll fill this in. And then I'll do another one, but this one will be a little bit behind and a little bit smaller, okay? So we'll kind of do the same thing like this. Just like that. And I'll probably do one more that's a little bit smaller. Again, just like that. I'm gonna do some scary, like, sharp teeth. And what I'll do is I'll start down at my lower ones. So right back here, I'm going to create this like V shape, okay? And then I'm going to come up and to the right, like that. And then I'll keep doing this for a few more shapes. So I'll put another one right here. I'll just put a line in the center. And then I'll do a little bit of a gap because, you know, sharks lose their teeth all the time. So, and they just come back in. So do another one right here, like that. And then we do a couple that are kind of in the same, like together. And as you get to the bottom, they're going to start pointing in different directions. Going to have these kind of pointing outward. And you can see this one's behind this tooth here. So keep drawing. What you can do here is almost like, you know, you have to have a little bit of a thickness for where the teeth are coming out of, right? So we'll do something like this. All right, now let's draw some of the teeth at the top. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to start up here with the largest ones. So I'm going to do one on this side here. So this is going to come like that. And then this one's going to come down like this. Okay, and then we'll have a bend up like this. We'll do another one. Teeth forming, very scary and sharp. Now we'll make our way down towards the inner part of the jaw. So we have the top and the bottom, and now we need to complete the other side of the bottom. So these teeth are kind of coming up in this direction. So we'll start down here, and I'll do a round shape like this, and this one's kind of pointed outward, like that. Then we'll have another one that's kind of coming in like this, pointed this way. And actually, before we go, we can finish that fin off here. So let's go over to this side since we have a couple more teeth here, and we'll put a fin just like this over here. It's pointed, and this will come down like this, just like that. Okay, so we'll do a couple more and we'll stop right about here. And the reason is because we want to have the other side of the jaw that's opening like this. So we'll draw this in like that. So we'll do these like couple lines like this, okay? So that's the other side of the jaw opening up, and now your teeth can kind of fill in here. Okay, so you can put one like this, and then we'll put a couple more, okay? And then we'll just draw like a gum line like this. One other thing we can do is I'm going to put a line right here. It kind of stops like that. The next step is to add color. So we'll speed up the video and you can follow along and see what I'm doing. I'm going to be using markers and a combination of some pencils, some Prismacolor pencils. All right, so let's do this and we'll see you in a bit. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Hopefully you like this video. Please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every single day, so you don't want to miss out on any of the cool videos coming up. Alright, we'll see you all next time. Have a good one.